How to increase download speed on torrent. This is very easy. Let's jump right in. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel. First of all, you have to open torrent app on your Android. First of all, you have to open your torrent app. Then you have to tap on top left three lines. After that, after that you have to tap on settings. Here you can see, tap on this. After that you have to tap on this download speed and increase this speed. So what you have to do, you have to increase this speed to maximum. After that you have to tap on upload speed and tap on this upload speed, and here you have to decrease the speed. After this decreasing the speed, tap on save. After that you have to turn off all the limit of downloads, and you can also enable the Wi-Fi networks only on Wi-Fi. Make sure you have connected a strong Wi-Fi network. In this way you can increase your download speed on torrent app. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.